Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to put your read message as marked as unread in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp, and you can see every message has been seen like this. So tap on the message which you want to mark as unread. So I'm tapping here because this is his message, not mine. So it will be easy for us to learn this. Then tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. Then you can see the various option. You can also see the option of mark as unread. So tap on it. Now see, this message has set on unread message, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.